This morning,
start afresh, please.
This morning I came out from my house looking for my daily bread. Came out, then the place money I sell paints. Before I know, I saw the guy coming, the Yoruba guy coming. He started calling me different name. I was trying to avoid. I was trying to avoid him. I avoided him to the extent I even crossed to the other side. Not that I don't know what I'm doing. I don't want trouble because I have my family I'm feeding. He still came and meet me, started calling me different kind of names. This, I said, what be the thing I do? To the extent some people even saw him when he was doing it. They say, what did this man do to you? This man, since yesterday, you met this man on the road, started drawing his clothes as you want to fight him. He did not fight with you, he was still avoiding you. This morning, the same thing. He met me this morning before I know where they are selling paints. I went there to see if I could buy paints for my clients. Before I know, he started assaulting me. Before I could know it, I said, Mr. Man, why are you disturbing me like this? Just like that, before I know, I saw this injury on my face. Just started blowing me like that. Before people say, what did this gentleman do you now? Why you start to the blow away, you can't get this kind of wound. So that's how the issue started though.
So where is the case now?
The case is at the police station.
Which of the police station?
IGBO police station.
IGBO police station, Century here.
Yes.
Who are those people? Are they from where? The people that attacked you.
There is
Yoruba people. They say boys should go home. And now what we there now? People. So they're under detention now, or they have released them?
Yeah, they're under detention. They cannot.
When did this happen?
It happened this morning. This
morning. So my brothers and sisters, people have seen it. Those who say we are not at war, have people seen it? We are in a clear war. They don't take IGBO any slightest opportunity or provocation anytime. They started attacking us. So it's that time we take this issue of going home so serious. We need to leave. Or if we don't want to leave, we face them squarely. So I don't understand. We need to move. What's that? That's it. Thank you.